Hi, what you see on your video right now, it's a TV set-top box. So whether you have satellite TV from the phone company or from the cable company, chances are good you've got a set-top box at your TV just like this one right here. Welcome to our channel all about home electronics, where in this video we're going to quickly show you two alternative methods for connecting your TV set-top box to a home theater DVD system so that you can listen to the audio that comes from your set-top box through your home theater speaker system. Now, if you're not already a subscriber, please hit the free subscription button located at the bottom right of this video. Anytime we publish new tips in the future, you'll automatically be notified, and we're going to start right after this. Now we're taking a look at the back of the TV set-top box and the back of the home theater DVD player. We're going to connect the red and white audio output from the back of the TV set-top box to the red and white input on the back of the home theater DVD player. Here is the cable we're going to use in this first method. It is the red colored and white colored RCA cable connection. It only transmits a stereo signal. What that means is if you're watching a movie and that movie has a surround sound track, you might only hear sound coming out of 2 speakers as opposed to 5 speakers if that's how many speakers you have in your system. Make sure it fully seats into the port. Red to red. White to white. Now in the second method, which we feel is the more preferred method, we're going to take a Toslink optical cable and plug it into the output on the back of the TV set-top box, and then take the other end and plug it into the optical input on the back of our home theater DVD player. By making this particular connection, when an audio signal comes out of the TV set-top box in surround sound, it will pass from the set-top box to the home theater. And this makes it a better connection, and this makes the Toslink connection better than the red-white stereo connection in the first option. Now this is the Toslink optical cable that we're going to use in the second method. And if you purchase this brand new, gently remove the protective cap on the end of both ends of the wire. You might be able to notice the very unique shape of the tip of this cable connection. It matches the unique shape of the optical output on the back of the TV set-top box. Simply line it up and gently press it into place. You'll feel it snap. And then naturally do the same thing with the other end of that same cable, only this time plugging into the back of the home theater DVD system. Now that you've completed the cabling connection, just power on your home theater DVD player and make sure that your TV set-top box is also turned on, and we need to set the home theater DVD player to the correct input. So what I'm doing in this situation is I'm using the remote control that came with our example home theater DVD player, and I want to make sure that the input, which is currently set to a radio station, is set to auxiliary if I'm using the red-white audio input, or optical if I'm using the second and most preferred method of audio input. Depending on your brand of TV set-top box, you may need to go into the menu for the TV set-top box and turn the optical output on, because sometimes they come from the factory turned off. That, however, is not the case in our example. And the same holds true for your home theater system. You might need to go in and make an adjustment to the audio settings in the home theater, but typically not. So that wraps up this video on how to connect your TV set-top box to a home theater system. If you have any questions about this process, please post them in the comments below the video. Otherwise, if you enjoyed the video or it helped, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos, and otherwise, have a great day.